So good morning guys. Happy weekend Saturday. So today I'm going to meet my friends in Saitama. So I'm going to go there and meet her in station and she will pick me up from there. Okay, see you guys. Breakfast guys. So good morning guys. Here. Good morning from Shinjuku, Japan. It's nice weather. It's beautiful weather today. I'm going to go to train station now. I'm going to ride a train. It will take me like maybe 1.5 to 2 hours. It depends on the train. So yeah, I'll see you later guys. Tune in. オレンジ色の乗車口4号車と5号車でお待ちください。So, andito na ako sa Okapi Station. So, finally, makikita ko na si Bro Lisa. So, yeah. This is their place, Okapi Station. Andito na kami, bro! After 18 years yata, 19 years ang hindi nagkita. Tagal.
Hindi. So da ne.
Matagal. Okay, coach. Okay.
Dito ata.
Shopping. Kasi nagpapabili. Sa work siya man. Ayun bro, naka-video na.
Video dyan nakte yung video call.
Video call! Hindi pwede bro, hindi aabot yung data ko.
Gano'n. Video mo pag dumating na yung
Pagkain. Ito ba sa akin ba ito lahat?
Ay, ano.
お取り忘れにご注意ください。
Japan.
Sa'yo ata yan.
Hindi, sa'yo yata yan eh.
Sa'yo yan, ika eh.
Okay.
Sweet.
Squid ba? Lunchtime. Sushi. Picture ba?
Video kaya yun.
Oo.
Ito yung napindot ko.
Oo, ang bilis ha. Patatas.
With, ano,
Ang cute no? At saka mahal dun sa Canada bro, yung mga pagkain. Dito nga mura dito eh.
まもなく到着します。お取り忘れにご注意くださ
Ay
い。
hindi, iba to bro.
ito, ano to, salmon.
Share tayo.
Iyo.
Ayan guys, sushi. Yummy. Sushi in Japan. Okay, we're in Kaneyama. Kaneyama. See, look at that. Alright. Yeah, nasa Takasaki kami. So there. Yan yung tourist guide ko dyan. O, diba? Masarap. I'm here at Akabane Station. Waiting for the train. I'm here at Shinjuku, guys. It's too loud. Look at that. It's so crazy to see here. So hey guys, I made it back to the hotel. So look at that. I'm so tired, but it's all worth it. So yeah, I'm going to take a bath first and then yeah. So that's my day for today. Have a good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just a